Welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're taking a close look at the brand new Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, a smartphone that's been turning heads with its stunning design, powerful cameras, and flagship performance. But is it truly worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra makes an immediate impression with its bold and elegant design. The phone features a sleek aluminum frame, a curved glass back, and a unique camera module that really stands out. Available in eye-changing gold variant, including this striking gold variant, it feels premium in the hand and looks like a piece of art. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, so you get both beauty and durability in one package. On the front, we have a 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The colors are rich, blacks are deep, and brightness is excellent even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing, the experience is smooth and immersive. This is where the Pura 80 Ultra shines. It features a triple-lens camera system including a massive 1-inch main sensor for incredible low-light shots, a periscope telephoto lens with up to 100x zoom, and an ultra-wide sensor for capturing stunning landscapes. Thanks to Huawei's X-Mage imaging technology, photos have excellent detail, natural colors, and impressive dynamic range. Video recording goes up to 8K, and the stabilization is rock solid. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Kirin 9010 chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. The performance is fast and fluid, handling heavy multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps with ease. Huawei's Harmony OS runs the show, offering smooth animations and useful features, though keep in mind Google services are still not officially supported. The 5000 mAh battery can easily last a full day of heavy use, and with 88-watt wired fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which is among the fastest in the industry. Pros: stunning design and premium build, excellent display with 120Hz refresh rate, outstanding camera performance, strong battery life, and super fast charging. Premium flagship performance. Cons: no official Google Play support, premium price point. So is the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra worth it? If you value design, camera quality, and high-end performance, absolutely. But if you rely heavily on Google services, you might need to find workarounds. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.